Hello, myself Chandan, and today we'll be learning about IR sensor and its applications. So one of the application is a smart door. So you must have seen the smart doors in the malls and the big shopping complexes where when we go to the shopping complex, the door automatically opens up and closes up. So this is one application for one of the IR sensors. So for this project we will be needing the two very basic component, that is one IR sensor which looks like this, and the second one is a microcontroller. It can be an Arduino, it can be a Raspberry Pi or any of such kind. So basically how does it work? When we go to the malls and near to the door of the mall, so it has the IR sensor facing downward, and it senses us or the person which goes to the near to the door, and then it sends the signal to the microcontroller or any of the processing input device, and then based on the input, like if the person is near to the door, the microcontroller sends the signal to the motors which basically opens up and close up the doors. So let's see what are the main component that an IR sensor has. Basically, if you can see, there are two IR LEDs, or the two LEDs. One is the black one and the other one is the normal one. So one over here is the IR sensor, basically IR transmitter, and the second one is a IR receiver. So basically what it does, it first of all sends the IR transmitter sends the IR signal in the surrounding. Based on that, if any person is near to the sensor, these rays or the IR emitter or the IR rays get reflected back, and it comes to the IR receiver, which receives back, and based on the input given to the IR receiver, it sends the output to the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller does its works. So this is one of the application. And coming to the microcontroller, it can be an Arduino, it can be a Raspberry Pi, it can be an Atmega any series microcontroller. So what does it does? Basically, when the IR sensor sends the signal from these three pins, basically the middle one, the data pin, so it sends to the microcontroller, and the sensor is connected to the microcontroller. So based on that code that we will write on the using the QtPy or any other micro compiler or the software where we write the code for the particular program. So based on our code, the operation or the output will be done. Like for example, in this project, the door will open up or close up. So that's all for this project.